Suspension Trainer Squat Curtsy Lunge combines a supported squat with a curtsy-style lunge, using the suspension trainer for balance and control. It's excellent for targeting your lower body muscles, while engaging the core for stability. Here's a breakdown. How to do suspension trainer squat. Curtsy setup. Stand facing the anchor point. Hold the suspension handles with your elbows bent at your sides, keeping light tension in the straps. Feet should be about hip-width apart. 2. Squat. Lower into a squat by bending your hips and knees, chest up, core engaged. Keep weight distributed through your heels. 3. Transition to curtsy lunge. From the squat position, step your right leg diagonally behind your left leg, like a curtsy. Lower your body down into the lunge, keeping your front knee aligned with your toes. Use the straps only for balance, not to pull yourself up. At the return, press through your front heel to return to standing. Reset and repeat the squat plus curtsy movement. Alternate sides. Thanks for watching.